Hi, it's Angeline here. I'm back with another scrappy video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create this fun confetti rainbow pastel card. So first, I've already stamped this cake time stamp by Unity Stamp and Gracefully Design, and I'm coloring it using my Copic markers. I've already colored in the base, as you can see, and now I'm just coloring in the lollipops and adding some more sprinkles to the cake. Just following the rainbow colors here, starting off with the yellow and the orange, and just dotting on more sprinkles to the cake. So you can do whatever colors that you like, but I'm just following the rainbow colors here for a fun cake. Next, I'm grabbing some Distress Oxide inks to ink up my background first using a makeup blending brush. You could always use any tools that you have in hand, but I find this makeup brush really easy to blend out the colors. Next, I'm grabbing the Confetti stencil by Newton Nooks Design, and I'm just placing it on my craft mat along with some purple tape from Thermoweb to secure it down. And then I'm grabbing the Brutus Monroe glitter glaze in unicorn horn, and I'm just spreading it on my stencil with my palette knife. I'm just going around, not trying to be perfect or anything, but just adding some glitter and shine to my background. I absolutely love this glitter glaze because it is so shiny and pretty. Here I've just added the cake and the sentiment to my card. So here's my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip technique, and thanks for watching. Bye!